Okay, so the very first step is to select a web hosting company. Why we need to choose a secure web hosting company? I guess the answer is obvious that we want to protect our online work and business. I personally use HostGator, but I'm going to share with you a couple of videos that will explain you what's happening in the hosting world and people experiences or customer feedback and how you can assess any hosting company before you jumping into, okay? In a nutshell, I always consider the following points. What is a track record of the company and have they previously been hacked? What security features they are offering? Any malware scanner facility? What is their backup strategy and how often do they conduct their backups? And also, how easy it is to restore the backups in case there is a contingency situation. How about their customer support? Can I get answer in less than 24 hours or maybe in an hour? Okay. How about their reviews and customer feedback? So as I said, I've covered these topics in a lot more detail in my basic security course, which is absolutely free. I will put the link in the video, but I'm sharing with you a couple of videos that are really very important and that will give you a base to get a good start. Okay. Once we go through those videos, we will sign up account with a HostGator and we'll go through this activity step by step. Okay, so let's dive into why it is important to select secure web hosting. Okay, so let's start now.